You've probably heard about option trading and how it can help you earn money. But even if it could make you lots of money, you may be looking for communities of the same. Telegram channels may be a good place to start. However, you must realize that the majority of the channels available on the internet are of poor quality. Some are just fraudulent subscribers, while only a handful are real. Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we will be talking all about the best Telegram channels for options trading. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. With that done, let's get started. Pro tip: before we begin with our first channel, keep in mind that the number of subscribers does not indicate the quality of a Telegram channel. A Telegram channel with just 100 users may help you generate large income, but a channel with 200,000 subscribers might be misleading and lead to loss of money. Number 10. Trade on Data Institute. To open our list, we have Trade on Data Institute. As the name indicates, is a Telegram channel that utilizes data to provide options trading advice. The channel has over 45.7 thousand subscribers and provides a fair quantity of edu content as well as suggestions. One of the fastest growing Telegram options trading channels. The channel promises the guidance of seasoned and competent experts. You will also get signals developed utilizing real data and accuracy of up to 80 to 85%. Number 9. Earn Every Day. Earn Every Day is one of the greatest Telegram channels you will come across, with an exceptional knowledge of stock options trading. The channel has over 4,683 followers and offers suggestions on Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and stock options trading through a Nifty Options Trading Telegram channel. Admins provide free and paid services, the latter providing more extensive suggestions. Earn Every Day's team also offers live charts and data to its users, further improving their experience. Number 8. 20paisa.com. When it comes to trading options on Telegram channels, 20paisa.com is another solid alternative. The channel has over 9,456 followers and offers options trading suggestions for the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. They also provide a subscription service that allows you to view more thorough suggestions. This channel claims up to 90% accuracy in forecasts, daily profit guarantees, and excellent advice from top achievers. Number 7. Profits Every Day. Profits Every Day is a famous Telegram channel that offers stock market guidance and tips to investors of all levels, from beginner to seasoned traders. Over 10.8 thousand people have subscribed to the channel. Profits Every Day was created only for educational reasons for those searching for the finest free Telegram channel for options trading. Profits Every Day's team has also built a website with the same name. Once on the channel, you'll enjoy daily 3 to 5 sure-shot trades and premium service for a monthly fee. Number 6. Usha's Analysis. Usha's Analysis, an instructive and informative Telegram channel, is a wonderful alternative for anyone interested in learning about options trading. The channel has over 35,000 followers and offers advice and answers to all of your options trading questions. It is also a wonderful alternative for newbies since it provides extensive education information for the finest Telegram channel for future and options trading. Members of this channel get weekend deals, monthly cost-saving premium packs, and member financial advice. 5. Shivam Trading Academy. Shivam Trading Academy is more than just an options trading Telegram channel. It is a comprehensive stock market teaching platform. The channel features the greatest Telegram channel for Bank Nifty options and offers options and intraday trading tips, as well as thorough instructional material. You may also participate in their live webinars for more hands-on learning experience. The channel provides easy and reliable trade recommendations, instructional information for users of all skill levels, and assistance in forecasting the call for options trading. Number 4. Trade Anomics. Anomics has long been a trusted brand in the stock market Telegram channel area. The channel has a fantastic team that works tirelessly daily and has over 7.8 thousand subscribers for a free Telegram channel for options trading. They provide Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stock option trades, as well as free and premium services, with the latter giving more thorough and tailored suggestions. The channel also has a website to learn more about its offerings. The advantages of joining this channel are many, with the most noticeable being access to live user help, an active community, and the best for beginners. Before we can look at our top 3 channels, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell for more content of this nature. If you are enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up too. With that done, let's continue. Number 3. Stock Market Ninjas. Stock Market Ninjas offers tips on options trading and positional and intraday trading. The team has earned a reputation for providing high-quality recommendations, and the channel presently has 37.4 thousand subscribers. You'll discover a wide range of options here, from the Nifty 50 to the Bank Nifty and even stocks. They also provide a membership service that gives you access to more extensive advice. The organization is perfect for newbies since it provides free stock options and a safe path to actual expert help. Number 2. The Options Club. With over 8.84 thousand members, the channel is a popular alternative for options traders. The Options Club provides trading advice for the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, as well as intraday tips and positional suggestions. When you join the channel, you'll get a 2 to 12 month package, 80 to 85% accuracy, free Bank Nifty calls, and low premium rates. Number 1. Stockpro Official. On top of our list, we have Stockpro. As the name suggests, it is one of the most popular Telegram channels for stock market news and updates. The channel has over 375,000 members and is well known for its highly experienced trading gurus team. Joining the group has several advantages, since it is a SEBI certified research analyst channel, which means that everything uploaded is first reviewed by specialists. You'll also receive free and premium services and excellent customer service. However, we would like to emphasize that trading options is a risky endeavor, and you should always contact a financial expert before making any choices. Have you joined any of the above-mentioned options trading Telegram channels? If yes, what is the experience like? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. Best wishes!